my name is Skye Smith, and I'm here to show you how to draw a live portrait. I'm very excited to be making this video. I've been working on art my entire life, and I've wanted to make a video for so many years, but today I finally found the courage. Before we begin, I'd like to show you a little bit of what I work with. Starting off, we have this portrait of Kathy I did the other day. She was a doll, I love her. I really love how I accentuated the eyes, so I'm hoping to do that today with a lot of eyes and ears. And then we have Anthony, the doll baby. And we have Jared and Tony, love them. They're twins. And then my favorite one that I've ever done in my whole life is Jeremy. Today, I want you to grab a snack, grab some tea, sit down with me as I draw a portrait. Alrighty guys, I'd like you to meet Autumn, your live portrait person for the evening. Enjoy your tea and your lemon. Sit peacefully and watch me work. I'm gonna start off with the head shape, with the structure of her face. As you see, every little mistake is a happy one. The base. This is really important. Now going in with the ears. Remember what I said about the ear. So she seems to have very normal ears. So this should be so easy for me. I am a real talent in the ear area. I just believe that ears are the easiest thing to draw on a human. Her other one seems to be tucked away. So we'll come back to that one later. So we're gonna start by now adding the brows. Kind of like a grass motion. Once you have gotten to this point, you might have finished your cup of tea. I'll let you go get another. They are the frame of the face, and we want to make sure when we're drawing portraits of our family members, we don't offend them in any way. Next is the nose. Now, we're going to start at the top of the brow and kind of work our way in like so. See, there's a curve there. Curve and dodge is what I say. Dodge the middle, like okay, see how I'm bringing it out? Now we're gonna swoop down and create two nostrils. The nose is now finished. Okay, she's looking very angelic, so we're gonna just create a very angelic eye piece. See, we're gonna do this fast because if we do it slow, we might think too much about it. Thinking encourages way too much energy. We want to bring the energy into the painting. We're going to create a little circle in the middle with a little dimension, just so you can see the dimension. We're going to add a little bit of shine to the eye. We don't want it to be dead. Oh, and she's got our arm movements going. We're going to start with a little heart shaped in the middle. And again, dodging. We're dodging, okay? We're gonna go right around, as you see, create that lip movement. Yes, see how there's like a little corner? We're gonna create that with a little triangle right here. I mean, this is the best one I think I've ever done. Better than Jeremy. Okay, we're getting somewhere. So, as you can see, the other ear has made an appearance. We can go ahead and draw that now. Yes. Do not mind that. That is just reminders that everything around us is noisy, but our painting keeps us quiet. Insane. Because again, we want it to be authentic. We don't do fake. Now we're moving to the hair. As you can see, her hairline starts about right here. Okay, see this line? Just follow it straight back. We start with curls right away, like immediately the curls have begun. Okay, now next we're gonna just keep doing this until we have completely covered the scalp. I've kind of created that dimension right here. See how her face goes in? That's what we want. So we're gonna touch up the mouth. A little bit bigger of triangles, making her smile huge, immaculate, humongous. We want that smile ginormous. As you can see, her shoulder comes out way beyond her hair. And then we kind of curve in. Do you see how I did that? Way beyond her hair and curve in. Now we're gonna begin to bring it down as if a shirt would. So we're gonna create that collar about right here. Just like that. See what I mean? Energy painting. It's a little scandalous. It opens up right here. We're gonna make that known, okay? We want the skin. And we're gonna do 3 little buttons. Remember what I said? Curve out and dodge. Curve out and dodge. I see we have a necklace. It's beautiful. We want to add some lashes, you know, bring out the real true colors of a girl. Curly, straight, small, big, it doesn't matter. See, lashes are sisters, not twins. So we can make them look a little bit different. Okay, now the arms can be tricky. So we're just gonna go ahead and draw straight down. So see how her arms are straight, her shoulders are back. That's what we want to see. I'm just gonna touch up a couple things and we're almost done. Hair needs a little bit of a darker curl. The sass is real, like really real here. We want to embrace that. I think this is the best one I've done. I'm gonna show my portrait to our live lady. Are you ready? See what I mean? Energy, painting, painting, energy. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching me paint my beautiful live action portrait. Now, if you would like me to paint you next, you can go ahead and call the number on your screen. Give me a call. Thank you.